Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you from Ireland and my name is Shannon. So everyone has a major problem with tiles out there. Our grout, it gets discoloured through smoking, water staining, God knows what, it can be food staining. Okay, and so it's impossible to find a hack that actually works. To be honest, I've never found anything but this. Now as you can see, that whole square tile there is completely stained. I'm going to come on with my 150 sandpaper. Now to be honest, other ones will do as well. And I'm just going to use this and I'm going to come along and I'm just going to give it a light sanding. Okay, I'm going to just go like this. And as you can see, I'm removing that. Now we don't want to remove everything on the tile. That's not the intention. We just want the very top layer. We're not doing it so that the tile can recede. We're doing it just to expose the white. So over here now, you can see just a few seconds on the area, not going too crazy, very fast, very effective. Now I'm going to come up here, and as you can see once again, just going to move that along, nice long sweeps, okay, and you can see massive improvement already. Okay, so we're going to move up here now and we're going to look at the difference in this. So as you can see, those three corners are completely yellow. This isn't, because I did this just a few minutes ago. I just want to show you. Watch now. I'll do this. And it's literally being removed before your very eyes. No trickery with this. We'll move up here and just a very quick one. Few seconds. And we have that, and you can see we're nearly back to a perfect tile. Okay, and then same over here. Now some of you, if you want to be a bit freaky about your tiles and saying I don't want to scratch my tiles, no problem. Get your masking tape, cover it up first all around the edges, no problem there. These are old tiles, so I can just be a bit, you know, like not take that whole lot, not really panic about what's going on. So I'll just move up here again. You see the yellow. I'll come on and I'll just little sand like that, not going crazy, and their stain is gone. As you can see, it's gone. And we move up just another one. Okay, you're watching in real time. You can see it's just taking it straight away. Okay, just up and down. Try and do long sweeps. I find it's more effective. And there we have it, being removed right away in seconds. So I'm going to do one more. You can see that this one here, very yellow, absolutely horribly stained. I come up with my sandpaper, and right as you see in this video, it's disappearing. It's going back to white. So guys, enjoy. I know you'll have success with this. Get to work and get those white tiles back. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again.